Hey, I'm JR, training manager here at Crutchfield, and here in the studio with me today is the brand new Sonos Five. It is the newest version of their biggest, baddest powered speaker. It has got a built-in amplifier and 6 speakers built in, 3 woofers and 3 tweeters for a nice large sound. There's a good solid amplifier powering those speakers. You can use one of these speakers to pretty much fill a room with sound. You can even pair 2 of them together to make a left and right stereo 2-channel system. And if you really want to amp it up a notch, you can even add a Sonos sub to that to make it a 2.1 channel system that sounds amazing. This is the newest generation Sonos 5. The improvements are inside. There is more processing power, more memory, and a better radio transmitter. So it performs better. It gets on your network easier, and it communicates better with the app on your phone and with the other speakers in your Sonos multi-room audio system. They've also improved the cosmetics a little bit. On the older versions of the 5, the white one had a white body with a black grille. As you can see here, the white speaker is 100% white. The black one is 100% black with a very smooth monochromatic finish with touch-sensitive controls on the top panel. Let's talk about Sonos as a way to get music playing all over your house. They've got a solution for pretty much every room, whether it's a powered speaker like the 5 or the 1, or a soundbar for your TV, or an amplifier for a set of standalone speakers, or a little box that connects to your existing stereo system. They've got a way to play music in all of the rooms, easily controlled from the Sonos app on your phone. Each room can be a zone. You can play the same songs in all the zones or different songs in each zone. And you can choose pretty much any streaming music service you want, or the music from your computer, or the music on your phone. You can even use Sonos's new Sonos radio system. There is an unlimited number of ways to listen to music on the Sonos system all over your house. One of the nice things about the Sonos 5 that not all of the Sonos speakers have, it actually has an auxiliary input, a little 3.5 millimeter input right here on the back. And you can use that to connect an external audio source. If you have a record player with a built-in phono preamp, for example, you can connect your record player to the 5 and play the records right here on this speaker. And because it's going into the 5, it is now available as a source on all of your other Sonos speakers. So you could have a record playing piped into the 5 and then all over your house if you wanted to. So this is the Sonos 5, Sonos's newest and biggest and baddest powered speaker. If you have any questions about this speaker, go ahead and throw it in the comments. We will answer your questions there. Also, please like and subscribe to our channel so you can get notified whenever we put out new videos. Thanks for watching.